Good morning, everybody. My name is Richard from Vancouver Velocity Cars. Today I'm showing you guys a newly arrived 1997 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. This car is definitely a nice looking off-road SUV. Just from the design you're looking, it looks very bold and aggressive from the front, and kind of interesting with that we got a unique JDM mirrors in the front for you to check the blind spot while you're trying to merge the car, because this one is actually a right-hand drive. So when you drive it in North America, when you try to merge to the left, you need to be extra careful for the blind spot. So that mirror is really useful. Okay, this Land Cruiser a little bit status for you. 97 Land Cruiser, this one is equipped with a 3.0 liter turbo diesel engine, which produce about 165 horsepower, but it has a lot of torque, about 365 foot-pound of torque. And one of the biggest selling features of this car is its off-road capabilities. I'm going to show you guys the inside of the car, tell you what is equipped with functions, the mileage of the car. I'll start the car for you guys to listen.
Are you making a video?
Yeah. Okay, without further ado, I'm just gonna start off the car. So easy to start up. So, from the cluster of the car, you can easily see this car has 126,968 kilometers right now. And we have let our mechanic to check that it actually has the original kilometers, so no one has been rolled back. Starting from the right side of the vehicle, there are several interesting buttons. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's really squeezed here. Okay, so this is the power mirrors to control the two side mirrors, and you can change to the right or left to change the position of mirrors for your wheel. And also, if you press this retract button here, the two sided mirror will fold it. Check the left side. It's a really good feature for the parking, since this is a full-sized SUV. Okay, and down there, which is right here, you have your idle up and on. So this button is actually used for the winter cold start, and because this is a diesel vehicle, you might want to warm up the diesel first before you want to drive it, because diesel normally has a lower freezing point than regular gas, so it's more easier to freeze. So during the winter, when you turn on the car, press the idle up on button to warm it up a little bit. The RPM will be a little bit higher than normal, which is and then just close it, because the diesel has been warming up, and then you can drive it normally. Down there, we have a turbo timer. Right here is the fog lights control. Press it down. Air conditioning. Give you campus can't show you guys very clearly because of the sunshine, but this is very good for the off-roads. You have a campus, some status. Right here you have your large size sunroof. So here are two buttons. You can either slide the sunroof up, open up, or just tilt it. Right, I'm just gonna open it for you. Yes. Okay. So you can see this car is equipped with a 5-speed automatic transmission with a power mode. So if you press the power mode, the shifting is more active and aggressively when you press the gas down. On the left here, you have your 4 low, 4 high for the off-road control. And normally for the daily user, you can just sort of switch it to the 2 low, which means it's using 2-wheel drive at the low position. For the high position, the vehicle normally should be driven within 60 kilometers per hour, and this was highly recommended when you're driving a vehicle on the off-road. Lots of room to put your stuff. Cup holders. 2 more cup holders right here. And also open up. Got 1 airbag on the driver's side, another airbag passenger side, and for the air conditioning, it's actually had the rear heat, so it has a 2-zone air conditioning, 1 in the front, 1 in the back. Both 4 windows of the car are electronically power window, and on the driver's side will be automatically up and down. Now I'm gonna pop up the hood. Let's check out the engine. Car has been fully inspected by BC government. So the velocity cars are recommended for the car is safety to drive and legally driving. Now let's check out the back of the car. It's very spacious in the back. Nice and clean. Back seats. There is your back air conditioning control. And also there are 2 small seats on the very back of the car. So this is a 7-seater full-size SUV. A full-size spare tire, a Toyota TX Prado label Land Cruiser. Here's when we open up the back. So with the back seat up, there's not too much room in the back, but if you want to, just this tool can actually be, so you can see, I'm going to show you guys how to tilt it up. So we can fold up the 2 back seats. It gives you huge space in the back. Generally speaking, this car's condition is really nice. So if you're currently shopping for a good off-road capability car, which is an SUV, Land Cruiser will be the one you want because it has the great off-road capability. Also, the gas mileage is awesome because of that diesel engine on it. The average gas mileage will be 25 mileage per gallon. for each car we sell here, we will have a 1-year free warranty on the car. So it brings extra protection on the car for you. You don't need to worry about engines, transmissions, those expensive part of the car. And if you're interested in this car, please give us a shout at 604-366-0951, 604-366-0951. Once again, I'm from Vancouver, Cars. Thank you.